Look at the flame.
There is a box from Whitby and Co.
Whoa, okay.
You're going to want to take a look at it.
Well, frickin' give it to me then. No, hold on, you take this. Okay, hold on. You take that. I wasn't sure when this was going to arrive. This is like properly exciting, this is. The fact that every now and then I work with Leatherman is one of the coolest of the cool things that happens in my life. And Whitby and Co. sent me a, well, it's upside down. Whitby and Co. sent us an email saying, hey Ben, do you want? And I said, yes, please. They've got a limited edition Garage number 5 tool. The Leatherman Garage. These are the coolest things. I've been collecting Leatherman forever. I've at home one of the originals from 1983. This is a 40th anniversary Leatherman Garage number 5. And let me say, I'm very glad I didn't know earlier on that this was a thing. But this is a limited edition version of the limited edition. Leatherman Garage, we leave behind the doubters, the naysayers, to enter the world of raw, unfinished possibilities. This thing has ceramic, it's got a new blade, a new metal in the blade. There are no bad ideas, only lessons to learn, discoveries to make, paths to forge. The garage is not a destination, but the start of new beginnings. Sales speak, but I love it. Sometimes you find an answer, and other times you leave it with even more questions. That's part of the process. There's no better place to embrace it than in the garage. Oh my God. The production versions of these, and there are only 1,983 of them, are white. I kind of don't want to touch this. They've got the pouch absolutely spot on. Oh, man. Established in 1975. Why don't I think 1983? Multi-tool celebrates Leatherman in their 40 years of innovation and problem solving. Free technology. I've got the free T4 is one of my favorite tools. Industry's best materials, 21 tools, Magna cut blade. This is that new metal they've got. Spring action pliers, scissors, customizable bit drivers, I'm sure there's ceramic coating as well. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm an utter geek. Look at that. So this is thicker than the, this is far thicker than the actual 1980s one that I've got. But of course, the tool is bigger. That's ceramic coated clip and a ceramic coated blade. Oh. Okay, I am utterly. It's the titanium Leatherman charge. That is my day to day. How is it, why do I get so excited over a tool? Well, because I do. I was not expecting this today. Diamond file, normal file. You've got the the tiny screwdriver, etc. Look, this is a thing. Why did I cut my fingernails this morning? Okay, this is, there we go. Sorry. This is one of those beautiful things. Leatherman say you've got to have, you're supposed to be able to do everything one-handed, which you are. And the same thing goes with these bits. And haha, there you go. Whining about my fingers being ha! Look at that! God damn it. one-handed. Bump, bump. That's a chunky baby. CPM Magna cut steel. This is an everyday carry tool of epic proportions, and it's a limited edition. The screwdrivers are chunkier, the blade is chunkier, and of course you've also got the removable, replaceable cutters, wire cutters, the spring action. I'm in love. Whippy & Co, thank you. Leatherman, thank you. You guys absolutely rule. I am such a huge fan. I'm such a huge fan. Should I get the Leatherman logo tattooed on me somewhere? Yeah, I'm a little bit overwhelmed. I was filming a thing about, you know, the chatoyance in this beautiful piece of redwood on this guitar, and well, I got distracted and I'm just not in the mood to talk about wood anymore. Yeah.
Need to carve some wood.
Sam, you just completely, you messed with my flow state. Leatherman Garage number B05T23B003. Oh, that's a wire, that's a crimping. Oh. I haven't looked into the specs. I haven't looked into the specs of this. That's a crimping tool for crimping. I assume the ends of wires to, you know, what's that called? There's a bunch of different flathead screwdrivers here. Can opener, 2 different flatheads. Oh, there's the saw. That's what I was missing. Ha! It does have the saw blade. So there's the saw blade, there's the file, and the scissors.